newly developed 6-speed rear-driving automatic transmission, 6HP26, supplied from Zf, has Lepella tire-type planetary gear, so that more wide range of gear shifting is available, with 3 clutches, and 2 brakes only. Compared to 5-speed automatic transmission, the new 6-speed automatic transmissions feature 12% reduced weight, 30% fewer components, 5% improvement of acceleration, 6% less fuel consumption, through increased overall gear ratio, low viscosity oil, and standby control, and input torque range of up to 700 Nm.
For automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive 6-speed auto transmission as the 6HP26 model of Zf is applied. The main features are as followings. First, sports mode shift lever system is applied. Second, mechatronics integrated with hydraulic module and electronic module is applied. TCM is installed in the E module. Third, position switch of sliding type is applied. Fourth, there is no oil level gauge. Through the oil filling plug, ATF is filled and the level can be adjusted. Fifth, applying with plastic oil pan, weight can be reduced. For the appearance of transmission, at the upper side of oil cooler inlet port, there is a measuring port for torque converter hydraulic pressure. On the opposite side, there is oil filling plug. A position switch, as a sliding operating type, detects the position of shift range by on-off signal combination from the switch internal terminal, according to the position of the manual valve. Input shaft speed sensor detects the rotating speed of clutch A carrier. Output shaft speed sensor detects the rotating speed of the ring gear on the output shaft. ATF temperature sensor detects the oil temperature by E-module assembly. As the input sensors are embedded in E-module assembly, it is impossible to check or replace the parts. TCM is directly attached on E-module. There is a temperature sensor to detect the TCM temperature directly. There are 7 solenoid valves installed at hydraulic module. EDS2, EDS4, EDS5 are normally high variable force solenoid. EDS1, EDS3, EDS6 are normally low variable force solenoid, and MV1 is controlled by on-off signal. Start Relay 2, as the relay embedded in the PCB of FAM, is directly controlled by TCM at P or N range of shift lever. For the diagnostic function of the scanner, there is an item for initializing ABS ESC CAN message. This menu is for resetting the adaptive values by TCM via CAN. When the automatic transmission assembly is replaced with one adapted in another vehicle, CAN timeout error code may be stored, performing the resetting of ABS ESC CAN message as well as deleting of TCM learning value. Let's see how to do a TCM learning in this model. ATF temperature should be over 50 degrees Celsius, and APS value, open degree of acceleration pedal, should be maintained at 17%. Shift the gear from first speed to fifth speed at D range and then stop the vehicle slowly. Keeping the stop position for 5 seconds, repeat the driving 10 times. Let's see how to check the oil level. If there is ATF, locate the vehicle on the lifter evenly. Connect the scanner to the vehicle. Keep the engine idle speed. Keep the shift lever at each range for 3 seconds and then move to P range. Next, check if the engine idle speed is normal. Set the oil temperature from 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. Remove oil filling plug from the case. Replenish the oil with less than 35 degrees Celsius of oil temperature until it overflows. Waiting until oil temperature reaches to 40 degrees Celsius. Assemble the filling plug, then oil overflows. Let's see general cautions at service and repair. First, use specified oil Shell ATF M1375.4 only for filling or replenishing oil. Second, be careful that the plastic oil pan is not damaged whenever remove, assemble, or store the transmission assembly. Third, keep the order of tightening bolt and comply with the tightening torque, maximum 10 Newton meters, when assembling the oil pan. Fourth, the wiring socket should be removed in advance by pulling up the cap attached on the E module in order to remove the mechatronics assembly.
فراموش نکنید که توی کانال سابسکرایب کنید، زنگوله رو به صدا در بیارید و کانال رو با دیگر دوستانتون به اشتراک بذارید. تا ویدیوی بعدی، روزگار خوش.